What's up, everybody? It's Disney Pixar Cars fan here. So today I'll be reviewing the Disney Store Heavy Metal Mater 3 pack, as you can see. So the so let us start off first. The only reason why I bought this 3 pack because of I don't have whatsoever is the Mattel counterpart of Heavy Metal Mater himself. So that's the main reason I bought this pack. So he's also one of the rarest 2010 Disney Pixar's cartoon diecast out there, alongside from Mater the Grader, which is also the 155 scale diecast variant, which you can only get from that multi-pack or 3-pack or some sort. I'm not quite sure. So yeah. So let's moving on. By the way, let's start off first with the actual reviews. Starting off with, I'm gonna save this guy for last because I'm gonna start first by showing off is uh Heavy Metal Lightning McQueen, because he's different completely different from his Mattel counterpart, as you can see. By the way, as you may know, Disney Store cars are 164 scale, however Mattel cars are 155 scale. As you can see, Mattel cars are a lot smaller compared to the Disney Store cars. As you can see, the first main difference I see here are the shades. As you can see, it's all clear now on the Disney Store variant, aren't like on the Mattel's version. It's actually completely darkened out. And the hoods, it's like the carbon fiber or some sort, whatever you want to call it, on the hood. And then also like the glossy type of red coloring on this vehicle, as you can see. Even on the spoiler, like some couple of bolts or some sort of this guy, as you can see. There are some details that the Disney Store hasn't done, or that hasn't done, not compared to the Chinese, I mean the Mattel's version. As you can see right there, here's the front again. It doesn't have actually whatsoever is the 95 sticker on his headlight, because it's actually part of the rock band, which is Mater's rock band, because Mater's actually a rock star in that short. As you can see, that's also another which I didn't actually mention. Then next up is the sides. Oh wow. On the Disney Store version, it's actually silver, like the zigzag sort of stripe. Aren't like to the Mattel version, it's actually gray, as you can see right there. Still the same uh silver ri- silver rims on this car, as you can see right there. Silver exhaust pipes, and like on the Mattel's version, it's actually gray. The back, no tail lights whatsoever, but has like these like metal type of bars that holds on to the spoiler, which I can't even actually properly describe that. Sorry. And then some tinted windows, which are gray, light gray now. And like before, it's actually transparent. Even here, you can actually see the side windows now. As you can see, it's also tinted. You can actually see also by the tips of the shades. Aren't like here, it's all covered up. the windows. The shades actually extends up and covers up the whole back side windows, I meant. That's the another main difference that I can see. And then that's pretty much it. Here's the base if you're interested. And then that's pretty much all I can say for McQueen. Also clear shade, blue eyes there, clear shades. That's it for McQueen. Next up we have is Dex. Not to be confused with Tex Dynaco, which also has the same car model as him, which I don't have on me, which is Tex Dynaco himself. The main difference I see here is on the little bull type of hood ornament type of decal on him is actually on the middle it's actually gold. Unlike on the Mattel's version, it's actually brown, the middle part. Then has like sort of this faded type of brown color on the horns. Here it's like from a peach, I don't know, the peach, and then turns into like that faded brownish color that I just mentioned earlier. Insanely different expressions. But to be honest, I have to prefer the Disney Store's expressions a lot better, to be honest, than the Mattel's one. To be honest. And then once again, glossy red finish on this card, just like glossy red finish again, just like on McQueen, which I like also from the Disney Store vehicles. Silver bumper, headlights, and then the grills. White headlights. And then on the Mattel's version, it's actually like dotted with like silver dots for the headlights. That's very then which also kind of surprises me though, like the rims of the Disney Store Dex is actually silver instead of gold, aren't like from the Mattel's version, which is insanely incredible in my opinion. The back, just their Dynaco, because you know Tex Dynaco is actually the owner of the brand Dynaco. Whoa. Same license plate. Silver bumper. Here's the side. The other side. And then on the roof, like his little like his cowboy hat or some sort is actually gold. Gold and brown with those brown dot, checkered type dots, instead of black and white, aren't like from the Mattel's version of Dex. I kinda like. So yeah. And then here's the base. The bases if you're interested. Copyrighted, I guess. I don't know, but whatever, it's just random information on the base. And last but not the least for this video, the moment that you've all been waiting for is, which I have nothing to compare to, is Heavy Metal Mater himself. As you can see, he has this very nice rock star type of expression on how I describe it. Like, I have nothing else to describe this specific expression. As you can see, silver headlights. Then his engine is also silver. Has also the same colors as brand new Mater. And then this sort of, I don't know what are those called, but those are just some random details, I suppose. And then some type of hooks or something. green eyes. I like the eyebrows that goes up. And then has this very nice leather jacket on him, which is all black. Has three silver stars, silver rims as well. Which at first, when I first got these guys, I thought these are actually one of those brand new pull Disney Store pullback cars back in the era of Cars 3 when they first came out. Red tail lights, his classic A113 license plate, which is popularly known or slash an Easter egg, which I haven't even noticed all about. And then silver towing cables with the black arm for the black arm, and then a siren in yellow, silvered out for his like signal lights, I suppose are these called. It's actually part of the siren of Mater, and then it's kind of beat up. It's also like missing one of his like top lights right here, just like our old standard Mater that we all know. Then here's the base if you're interested. Copyrighted something. There we go. Then here's the other side, and that's pretty much it. So I have nothing else to compare him to aside from this Bat Mater, which I used to refer it to, and then I watched one of Blue Toys Club's videos, and this guy's name was or considered as the music video Mater, which he turns into a bat as they were like singing his that gum type of rock star type of song. I know this used to have batteries, but it kinda like faded when you actually like turn the like little helmet thing. It actually made some quite annoying and random type of noises, which this is actually a fake. And they actually, the tow hook and one of its wings kinda actually broke off. And silver rims, by the way, on this guy. Also like sort of the leather jacket, kinda like this guy. As you can see, the rims are actually completely filled in, aren't like the original Mater. Like it has some very nice hubcaps, so that's what I'm actually referring. Cleared out. Wait, this is where like the lights has actually real working headlights. That's the other side. Oh, this thing's completely stick because I actually put super glue on this. I don't know where did the other wing went. Also the tow cage. The base has nothing written on aside from the speaker and the battery compartment, and has the classic pullback feature like all fake cars have. Put this in angle. Whoa, there we go. Then now in comparison now with the Heavy Metal Mater diecast from Disney Store, is actually a lot slightly taller. Consider this is a fake. I mean, but it is still a very nice collectible for me. I mean, I don't know, for some collectors, they're not that much of a fan of like collecting fake Disney fake Disney cars or some sort. Also, by the way, he also has like the caution type of bumper, as you can see right there. This guy also has rubber tires because of the pullback feature. In case if I forgot to say that, but then this Mater also has like the double wheels, dualies, I suppose. What I heard from someone, or to be honest, I heard it from Race Grooves, from like his Tonka video. So yeah. So I'm really happy though to have these guys to my collection. So that's pretty much or so it. So next upcoming videos would be another mini haul, which is my July's monthly haul, I guess, or that like what are my most recent scores for this month of July, obviously. So yeah, I mean they're actually, I'm not gonna quite spoil it, but I actually ordered those two separately. But yeah, so I guess I'll be signing off now. So I guess that's all I can say for this video, folks. I guess see you soon for another video, or I guess next week to be exact, or the next following days or so. So yeah, so bye. So this is a Pixar Cars fan signing out, and peace out.